Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by isolating the source of intrusive ads. First, scan recently installed apps and note anything unfamiliar. You want targets. Next, go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access, and disable Display over other apps for those suspects. This prevents full screen overlays immediately. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if the ads stop. If they do, a third-party app is responsible. Make sure to document which apps were active before safe mode for the removal step. Now you remove and limit the offending apps. Uninstall any app you flagged. If uninstall isn't available, force stop it and clear cache and data to halt activity immediately. Also revoke permissions that allow persistent ads, notifications, draw over other apps, and accessibility access are common culprits. Once done, change private DNS in network settings to an ad blocking provider to reduce ads across browsers and apps. Make sure to update your browser settings and clear its history and site data after switching DNS. Finish by locking down your phone and keeping it updated. Turn on Play Protect, install all system and app updates, and review app permissions regularly. That reduces reintroduction of adware. If intrusive ads still appear after cleaning and DNS changes, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Restart safely and reinstall apps selectively. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode and reinstall apps one at a time to identify the offending app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.